What's up, guys? Welcome back to Capital Gains 500, which I might change the channel name, but whatever. Anyway, so we are going to be looking at mother effing Nvidia. All right, let's zoom in on Nvidia. Let's go on one stock chart. Check this out. Go to after hours. What happened here? It hit a new high of 395. Remember, Nvidia split. Is this all-time highs? 395 is all-time high. Oh, 395. It's not even on the chart. It's not even here. Okay, not get too excited. Not get move my uggo face. There we go. Now we can see better. Oh, 395. It's gonna crush 346. Let's put that right there. Let's move a lot of our trend lines. Let me delete this. Oh my gosh, that beautiful climb. If you were, oh my gosh, if you were able to pick up shares at 110, 108, you know, at the lows, oof, you big brain, smarty pants. You see, if we go to extended hours all-time high, right there. Okay. Wow, that was a beautiful squeeze. And tomorrow, it's just gonna keep pumping tomorrow. After hours, once all the short sellers. Is there even any short sellers on Nvidia? Probably. I don't even need this line, but whatever. It looks cool if I have it. All-time highs. All-time highs. Wow. Okay, so the plan is we're basically gonna, in the morning, sketch out our supply and demand zones. I don't even know what I'm saying. I don't even trade like that. I trade like this. This is how I trade. I put up 6 charts and I'm like, which one looks good, which one feels good, which one do I think is gonna go up? And then I draw my little prediction chart. Probably gonna go up here, and then boom, it went up there. And okay. Who is this guy? How does he trade? Leave me alone. All right, so my trade for tomorrow will be Amazon. Did Boeing dip? How much did Boeing dip? What? Dang, I didn't catch a Boeing dip. I'm kind of lost. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Yeah, this one's off. What am I looking at? Oh, it looks bigger than what it is. Yeah, it looked very dramatic. Maybe it was. Whatever. Okay, let's take off. Too much. Let's take volume chart off. Let's look. Dang, no wonder I trade on my phone. This is too much. So I started trading just on my phone, and I make money trading on my phone. I make more profits than trading with all these charts on the computer, because then I don't even know what the heck I'm looking at. You see, like right here it goes boom, and it looks like a lot, but you have to account for it was like a $5 move, but Nvidia was like almost $100 move. It's crazy. So my stocks for tomorrow, these are my trading stocks: Amazon, Boeing, Tesla, QQQ, SPY, Microsoft, AMD, Nvidia. All right, so probably I'm feeling good about AMD also, because Nvidia hit all-time highs. AMD still has room to go. And if you were to be like, oh, look at that bull flag, oh my gosh, look at that weekly bull flag, it can totally go. Yes, right now we're at 117. We're over here, 117. What would the next, right here, 124 would be next kind of like seller's point, right? He's just using this. So we're right here, right there. Oh, I think, yeah, we could move $10 in one day, definitely. We had a nice consolidation. Okay, so AMD is to look at tomorrow. Microsoft, another baddie to look at tomorrow. Yep. It's gonna go 121. We're at is Microsoft at all-time highs? Almost. These stocks just want to go. These tech stocks want to go. They're gonna go before it crash. Okay. Interesting. So the trade tomorrow. Again, I'm just too excited. Probably not gonna sleep. Probably gonna miss out in the morning if I don't go to sleep. Tesla looks good. I like how it went up, came back down. It's in a nice range in the after hours. I don't understand why it's pumping. Why everything's like pumping. But we ain't gonna hate on it. We're just gonna take advantage that we could squeeze out these short sellers too right there. Right here is another good supply, another good zone right there. I'm gonna mark it. If we stay above it, I feel good to go even higher. Okay, so we're gonna probably test it, and then if we can push through it, tomorrow might be a crazy day if like everything just runs. Boeing, don't really care. Boeing, you're not my oh, but it's at a nice supply zone. I don't even know what the heck supply is. Supply is where they're selling, demand is where they're buying. So it's in a nice demand zone, if I want to speak professional. I just say it's at a low, pretty worth buying a call. I'd just be like, YOLO, boom. So this is how I would buy Boeing, possibly tomorrow too, possibly. I need to make sure, okay, so I have to buy an Amazon call for sure, because I like this. I like this setup. Look, it's a bull flag. It's a bull flag. There it is. I found it. Kaboom. Oh my gosh, we're above the bull flag. We're gonna run. How much are we gonna run? 118.50. 118.50. We're almost there. Who cares? So I'll probably buy an Amazon call for like the next out of the money. That would possibly be around $130. And I'm willing to risk $30 to $40 in order to make 120, in order to make like 80 to 160 if I let it run. So I like to play 3 to 1 on, you know, and this isn't big money. I know, don't got big money, but it's okay. It's a good starting point. Okay. So the plan is Amazon call, a Boeing call, risk it for the biscuit. Oh, you see it came in. We could do good. Oh, Microsoft for sure. We need a Microsoft call for sure. Okay. we need an AMD call for sure. I can't afford Nvidia. It's just too expensive. It's like $800 for one contract. Okay, Microsoft. Why do I not buy a SPY call? And it pumps like $8? Maybe a $50 SPY call. Maybe a $70 Q call. QQQ. We're just buying everything tomorrow. Bum bum bum. All right, catch me tomorrow in live trading. Peace out. Honestly, there's not much I can do. This is why I should record in the mornings, not at night.